This thing literally moves to your voice, your music, or any sound around it. It's insane. Do you want a treat? What do you say? Roof! 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 Okay, that was good. Good girls. Get a treat. Okay, so back to this. This is called a ferrofluid speaker, and it's filled with magnetic liquid that reacts to sound. When there's music, it dances to the beat, and when you talk or bark, it reacts to the sound. It's like science, art, and relaxation all in one. Watching it react, it's so hypnotic. This is the perfect desk toy or the perfect gift for someone who just likes unique things. This is definitely a great conversation piece. So if you like gadgets or just like unique things yourself, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you.